What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Coach Plugged In channel. You are here with the one and only Coach K. No, I'm just playing, but it has been a minute since I have talked to you guys. As you can see, I'm sitting here kind of scruffy, got the glasses on, but I just really wanted to, come back to the channel. There's been a lot going on in the world right now. I want to thank everybody that has supported the movement. I'm just so happy from the people who have showed their support, used their platform to make a difference in this world. We have to continue to make a difference. Every day we wake up, we have to look in the mirror and be the change in the world that we want to see. So as for me, I have just been bouncing back and forth right now, and we're getting ready for the baby. The baby will be here in about 7 weeks, so I've been bouncing back and forth with getting a nursery together, changing my office location because we were trying to get the baby in the perfect setup. So we have everything ready for that with my YouTube setup back up and running, and so I am ready to push out some content for you guys. So like I said earlier, I do have a new YouTube studio setup that's gonna be coming soon. I ended up going with the Caleb Pike, and so I have everything on my desk for the entire YouTube setup. The camera, the microphone, the lighting, everything's all on one setup. So in a future video, I will be showing you all how I set that up, how I did the cable management. And big shout out to Caleb Pike over at DSLR Video Shooter for having these great setups so that people like me could have a setup that's on a budget, but also I can get everything into my room. Next, I wanted to talk about, I know I have been editing a lot of my videos on my iPad, but as I have been, doing more iPad stuff as a laptop, I wanted to actually do more of my video editing on a MacBook or on a dedicated, computer for my video editing. And I have been using a base model 2017 MacBook Pro since it came out, and now I feel like it is time to move on from that and upgrade. And so I have posed a question on Twitter about should I get the 16-inch MacBook, or even should I even get the the 4 Thunderbolt 3 port MacBook Pro that just released in 2020 for the MacBook lineup. And a lot of people have said that they think that I should go with the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now, you guys let me know down in the comments below, what MacBook are you currently using, and also, should I upgrade? Do you like the content and the way it's been edited on the iPad? And I really feel that this is gonna be an investment for the channel, as I am gonna be looking to do heavy stuff here with 4K, and just trying to figure out how to best get content out there. And the main thing is just being able to put out the content. It's not about what I edit on or how I edit mostly. It's about being able to put out good stuff. So I always go with the mentality, if you look good, you feel good, you play good. And so I'm gonna try my best to get the best bang for the buck on my next computer so that I can give a better quality edited video out to the public so that you guys can continue to plug in with me. So as we all know, we are less than 2 weeks away from the WWDC, Apple's developer event. It is going to look a lot different because of everything that's going on in the world right now. A lot of people are excited about some of the things that Apple is looking to release, and especially when they have talked about having ARM MacBooks with basically having the processors that are in iPads that Apple has made themselves into their MacBook lineup, into their iMacs, because they have been using the Intel processors for so long. And so there are a lot of different things that Apple is planning to do, and it's a great time to be in the Apple ecosystem right now. So if you're a person that's looking to get into that ecosystem, make sure you tune into this developers conference coming up. I don't even know how it's gonna work, but I know that Apple's got everything on lockdown, and I know they're going to have everything ready to go. I'm most interested in seeing what they do with the softwares of iPadOS, iOS, and specifically macOS, especially since recently I have been using the iPad as a dedicated laptop, and I want to know what they're planning to do since they now have this Magic Keyboard, and see what they're going to be looking to do as far as the software, maybe some shortcuts to maybe give us a little bit of some more things we can do with the keyboard. But let me know down in the comments below, what are you looking for Apple to do next with their softwares or even their devices. What is the one thing that you're looking forward to seeing from Apple in this next event and also in the year of 2020? That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway soon. I have my favorite iPad accessory that was sent to me by a company, and I really want to, you know, show you guys that accessory, and then also I want to give that to you guys for being so good. The channel's coming up on 1,000 subscribers. I know that is not a lot, but for the people who have supported this channel, it means the world to me. I love doing what I do right here in front of this camera, so I just wanted to thank you guys for that. Continue to do good, continue to put positivity out into the world, and this is Coach K. Peace.